work environments, public spaces, and other high-traffic areas clean and disinfected is vital for the health and safety of employees, students, patrons, and visitors, especially during a public health emergency. Our portable battery-powered electrostatic sprayer and cannon can disinfect large and hard-to-reach spaces and surfaces. Our IND-MD-DF-ESF-R1 electrostatic sprayer is a wireless device that sprays a disinfectant mist onto surfaces, coating them with an even layer of customer-provided sanitizing agent. Equipped with a 4.22-gallon tank, the sprayer has a lithium-ion battery, power charger, and nozzle adjuster. This disinfecting mister is quick and easy to use, covering large areas and objects in a short amount of time thanks to a flow rate of 100 cubic meters per minute. Our IND-MD-DF-ESF-R2 portable electrostatic disinfecting cannon features the same disinfecting power as our sprayer, but offers a spray distance of 19.68 feet. This battery-powered disinfection cannon features a 4.22-gallon tank capacity and comes with a power charger and a 10Ah lithium-ion battery. These powerful sanitation solutions are a great disinfecting option for gyms, offices, daycare centers, warehouses, airports, healthcare facilities, outdoor areas, work sites, factories, farms, laboratories, and so much more. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.